Hey, this is Brodie Richards with Vivirito Realty. Just wanted to make a quick video to show you guys a really fun summer cocktail. 4 ingredients for this one, very simple. Vodka, we're gonna do 2 ounces of vodka, 3/4 ounce lime juice, 3/4 ounce simple syrup, 5 or 6 fresh mint leaves. Working in the restaurant industry for a long time, I've got a couple of these up my sleeve. So vodka, we're gonna do 2 ounces of vodka. Let's pour this in. 3/4 ounce lime juice, 3/4 ounce simple syrup. This is equal parts sugar and water cooked down together, so it's basically like sweet water, sugar water. And then for this drink, we're gonna use mint. So I would grab maybe 5 or 6 fresh mint leaves. Throw these down the bottom. Use a muddler if you don't have one of these. A wooden spoon at home is good too. And you're gonna gently muddle this just to press it a little bit. Add your ice. And then you're gonna shake it to wake. Perfect. A little strainer or over ice. Enjoy.